In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add recurring invoices and payments with GoHighLevel for 2025. First, let's ensure you're set up for payment processing. Head over to the Payments section and navigate to Settings, then Integrations. Here, you'll find options to connect with payment processors like Stripe or PayPal. Simply click on Connect with Stripe or PayPal. Follow the prompts to log in and authorize GoHighLevel. Once connected, you'll notice your business name displayed with a reassuring green checkmark indicating you're good to go. Now we move on to creating a product for your recurring service. Go back to the Payments section and select Products. Click on the plus New Product button. Here's where you'll fill in the details. Start with a compelling product name that resonates with your service, like monthly coaching plan. Enter the price for your service. Let's say $297. Under billing type, make sure to select recurring and set the billing period to your preference, monthly, weekly, quarterly, or annually. If you like, you can offer a trial period, perhaps 7 days free, to entice new customers. Remember, if your billing is based on usage or time, such as for service retainers, you can choose usage-based billing. If you prefer handling invoices over automatic subscriptions, creating a recurring invoice is an excellent option. Navigate to Payments, then Invoices, and select Plus New Invoice. Choose your client, add in your products or personalized line items, and make sure to toggle Make this a recurring invoice at the bottom. Choose the recurrence period, like every month, and set a start date. Adding an optional end date is up to you. Once set, GoHighLevel will handle the rest, sending invoices at the specified interval, with your clients having the option to pay through the payment method you set up. For streamlined operations, automating the subscription or invoice delivery becomes crucial. If you're using subscriptions, embed the checkout link directly onto your website, funnel, email, or workflow message. This way, once a client pays through the checkout page, they are automatically enrolled in a recurring subscription. If you prefer to work with invoices, head over to Automations and create a new workflow. Add a trigger such as contact tag added or form submitted, then set the action to send invoice. Choose your recurring invoice template, and whenever a client signs up, they will receive an invoice according to your billing cycle. Finally, managing your recurring payments should be seamless. In GoHighLevel, navigate to Payments and explore subscriptions to view active recurring payments or invoices for upcoming or overdue ones. The Contacts section under Transactions provides a detailed payment history for each customer. Through these tools, you can effortlessly pause or cancel subscriptions, update payment details, or send automated reminders. With these steps, you're all set to streamline recurring invoices and payments in GoHighLevel with ease and efficiency.